So, the Simon is a simple way of going through the door. It's light and compact and causes minimal collateral damage. But what happens when you need to enter a building and you can't go through the door? Or how about what happens when you need to enter a building through reinforced concrete? Wouldn't it be nice to use the same weapon to take out a light armored vehicle? Handling that much flexibility is a beast of a challenge. You need something like the Matador. This bad boy right here is the Matador, and with it, you don't have to take any bull. It comes in 2 modes. 1, I can put a hole in. 2, I can take down the room. Dr. Zev Ritman is in charge of breaching and urban warfare at Rafael.
First thing that you need to notice, there is a small switch here, which is very important. It actually determines the mode of operation.
This switch alters the time interval between the detonation of the 2 charges contained in the Matador's warhead. The short interval mode ensures that the charge explodes inside the wall itself. Because the warhead is propelled by a rocket, it travels at a constant velocity, ensuring the distance between the 2 charges is always the same. But by increasing the time interval between the detonations, the second explosion now occurs inside the building. This is known as blast mode.
Actually, by putting it in a blast mode, you choose the long time delay mode. So what happens when you fire this projectile and it hits the target, the breaking charge will open the way for the follow-through warhead to penetrate through the wall and detonate later on, after this longer time delay, inside the structure, detonating the explosive and actually demolish the building.
Time for me to test the full power of the Matador. The warhead will have to penetrate 8 inches of double reinforced concrete before it enters the structure. This is a good challenge for a shoulder-launched missile system. With the high-speed camera, you can see the rocket in flight towards the building. I've set the Matador to blast mode. The first blast makes the hole. Then a millisecond later, the second blast takes out the room. You can see right there where Matador snuck itself in. Now, this may be deceptive, but it went through about 12 inches of concrete right there. The Matador's second explosion has done serious damage to this building. There's no doubt you would not want to be in there. Ow. The Simon and Matador are just 2 of the latest weapons from Rafael and Dynamic Defense. They're designed for safe, fast access to buildings when you need to keep a little distance.